guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. All hugs because I'm happy to see you here. If you decide that you like my energy and my channel, be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you want to see new videos and when I upload, just click the bell notifications. I think it's down below so you guys know every time that I upload a video. Today is a very exciting video, and I always say that a video is exciting because it definitely is. I'm going to be reviewing the BoxyCharm June box, and this June box is called Caribbean Queen. So basically it's inspired by the Caribbean, vibrant colors, the summer, and just fun overall. So if you guys don't know what BoxyCharm is, it's a monthly subscription website, and you can choose different prepaid subscriptions. So you can either pay for 1 month, 3 whole months, and so on, and you get a box shipped to you every month. And the best thing about BoxyCharm is that it is definitely worth the $21 because with Ipsy and Sephora Playbox, you get sample sized products, and mostly in my opinion, a lot of the products that I received from Ipsy and Sephora Play, I barely try, and it doesn't even look interesting to me. But with BoxyCharm, it's totally different. You get 4 to 5 full-size products. Each box is valued over $90 to $100. Correct me if I'm wrong, but there's a lot of stuff in there that are trending, and also products that you would have never thought of trying, but you don't regret getting it in your box. So when you open the box, it comes in this padded foam kind of thing. So I'm just going to give you a rundown of everything that's in the box. So the first thing is this Baddington Moreau silk lash. It is handmade with 100% silk, and this is what they look like. They're really pretty. It's what I have on now, if you guys can see. And these lashes were $28, so right off the bat, the lashes cost more than the box itself. So there's no complaint there. Next thing you get is this Sol de Janeiro fast absorbing Brazilian Bum Bum cream. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It's really tiny and really cute. It has 0.84 fluid ounces. And I don't know why. Like, bruh, you hear me talking, right? But, alright. Whatever. This helps tighten and smooth skin. This was $10. This retails for $10. The next thing you have in here is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the color Verona. I've never tried Ofra before, but this is the lippy that I have on now. This is it dried and swatched. It's a really pretty rosy mauve color. The next thing, oh, and that was $21. And then we have this Jonte Blue eyeliner pencil in the color Charcoal. And I'll swatch that for you. And I'll also do a close-up so you guys can see. And that was $5. And then the star of the show is the Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette. Sorry if I'm butchering the name. Do not come for me. And this is volume 1. And this is what I used on my eyes today. This is what it looks like. This is just a really good palette, and I definitely recommend you purchasing this if you don't get to purchase your June box in time, because this is my favorite palette of 2018 so far. Seriously. So I used almost every color on my eyelids. The only ones that I didn't use really is this red color, the brown color, the gold color, and the pink color. So I'll swatch those for you. This palette alone is $28. So these are the swatches of the eyeshadows that I did not put on my eyes. Really pretty, really pigmented. Again, the red one is the only one that I dipped back and forth to swatch, not because it's a bad color, but just because on instinct. So, and I almost forgot, you also get a brush set. So the brush set that you get is from Luxie, and this is the 3-piece Flawless Complexion set. As you can see, there's only 2 in here. Okay, sorry, this is the brush right here. This is the only brush I used, and this is the tapered highlighter brush. And this brush set alone was $42. So let me tell you the whole value of this box. So you're purchasing a $21 subscription box that retails for $129. If you don't think that's a steal, then you got money, okay? This is thebomb.com. Better than Ipsy, better than Sephora Play, my opinion. Okay, so we're going to run through the base very quickly because I want the star of the show to be the box. Every time I want to do an eyeshadow look, I forget to do my eyeshadow first. So, in that case, if you're like me and you're like into like creating the perfect base, and you're like, oh shoot, I forgot to do my eyeshadow first. Now, my eyeshadow, the fallout, is going to be on my face. You do not want that, hunty. Let's never. Makeup 101. Don't ever do that. So, what you do is you bake. And I'm going to bake with the Sacha Buttercup powder. Okay, so now for the star of the show in this month's BoxyCharm is the Alamar Cosmetics palette. This is called the Reina del Caribe. Sorry if I'm butchering that. Usually I'm good at like pronouncing some Spanish words, but this one obviously not. But this is the volume 1 palette, and when you get it, it should come with a plastic sleeve on top of it. And then this is the palette. It has 4 mattes and 4 shimmers, so you get an equal amount of, you know, mattes and shimmers. So I wanted to go with a look that one of the models had on. So the first color that I'm going with is Cocoa Taxi, which it kind of reminds me of mangoes. So I'm just going to put that in my transition. Okay, so applying this eyeshadow, it doesn't have much color payoff on my skin tone. I think that it would look really good on lighter skin tones. But since I'm using it for a transition color, it will help blend out all the other colors that I choose to put on my eyelids. If you build it up, you can kind of see it a little bit more, but it would take a lot of packing to actually see the color. So under that color that I just put, I'm going to use Tropico, which is this color here. And oh lord, it's really pretty. I could definitely see this as a eyelid color, like just packing this onto your whole lid. I think that it would be really cute. Definitely very blendable. I'm going to use both Veradero and Celia, which are these 2 blue colors. This one looks a little bit more green, but this is a really pretty shimmery blue, and this is like a shimmery darkened teal. And I'm going to put first the lighter color, which is Celia, on my inner corners of my lid. So on one eyelid, I'm going to test the colors wet, and then the other lid I'm going to try it dry. So my right eye, which is this eye here, is going to be dry, and then this eye, which is my left, is going to be wet. This is a very pretty color, like wow. This is definitely a color that I have not come across from before, and that's really great because with BoxyCharm you get products that you never thought you would try, or you know, something that you wouldn't think of buying because it's just way too expensive. Oh my gosh, it looks really good. I don't know if you guys can really see on camera, but looking in the mirror, this color is popping. Like seriously, it's popping, sis. So yeah, I'm just gonna stop here. Now I'm gonna use my handy dandy Mario Badescu facial spray. So it looks like both gave the same finish, but the one that when I wet my brush, it just looks a little smoother, like the application. And then I'm gonna take Varadero, maybe? No? Okay. And I'm just going to put that on the rest of my lid. I'm gonna go back in with Tropico and blend the shimmers and the mattes together. So my brow bone looks good. I'm not gonna put anything there. I'm going to use this Jante Blue eyeliner pencil in the color charcoal. Also got this in my BoxyCharm box. And I'm just gonna line my eyes. I hate doing this. And I also was thinking to probably run some of Guantanamera. I don't know if that's the name. Y'all gonna drag me for this. And just like run it over. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, so the eyes are done. They're looking, well, the eyeshadow's done. It's looking really good. I absolutely love how it turned out. I'm going to wipe away the rest of the powder. I don't care for pencils too much, but you never know when you're gonna need them. Okay, so personally, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna line my eyes like normal. So now for lashes, I'm going to be using the Baddington lashes. This is what the packaging looks like. It's really cute. And these are what the lashes look like. Okay, so I applied the lashes, super easy to put on, love the shape. And for my for my lower lash line, I decided to do the same thing I did on my lid. So I put the darker color under halfway, and I also just reapplied the eyeshadow, because sometimes you have to do that, because when you're in the process of doing your eyeshadow, colors get lost. It's very normal. So definitely just reapply the colors to get the best pigment. And then now I'm just going to finish the rest of my face, which is bronzing, highlighting, maybe some blush. To highlight, I think I'm going to try and use El Malcon. It's a gold shade. And I'm gonna try to use that as highlighter. So I'm going to use this Luxie tapered highlighter brush. You also get this in your June box, and I'm going to use that to apply the highlight. I don't know how this is going to turn out. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I don't really like the shade. And I probably should have swatched it first. Because I think it's gold. But I don't know. So I'm going to use MAC Deposit. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to feature in this video is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. Looks like this. This is my first time ever trying Ofra, and this is in the color Verona. I already tried this color, and it's a little too light for my skin tone. I would definitely need a lip liner, so I'm going to be using NYX lip liner in the color Hot Cocoa. Okay, so this is the final look with the lipstick on. I just added some gloss, and overall I really love this eye look. It turned out very beautifully. I'm in love with this eyeshadow palette. It is probably one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes that I have purchased this year, so I definitely encourage you guys to try out BoxyCharm. You can subscribe for a month, and if you decide that you don't like it or you can't afford one box like the next month, you can always cancel and resubscribe. So now on to the giveaway and the giveaway rules. For the giveaway, you will be receiving your very own Alamar Cosmetics palette. As you can see, I have two of the same palettes. You'll be getting this one, of course, that has been untouched. Still has the plastic sleeve on there. Okay, so 1, you must be subscribed to my channel. 2, you must be following me on Instagram, and I'll link my Instagram in this video and in the description box. After you do those 2 things, comment down below on this video with a comment letting me know that you subscribed and you followed, and basically that's it. I'll probably be holding the giveaway for 2 weeks just to give people time to, you know, watch the video and all that stuff. So I will, wait, depending how this works, because I don't have a lot of followers on any of my social media, depending how this works, it may take a little bit longer for me to announce a giveaway winner, because I want to have a certain amount of people already, you know, certain amount of people like doing this giveaway. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful. Make sure to enter the giveaway, and have a great day. Bye.